The internet is flooded with Learn AI courses, but they leave you with a certificate and no job. The bridge from concepts to a career is broken. Today, we are fixing it. This isn't about more theory, it is the tactical playbook I used to transition into the industry, and you will see the exact path, step by step. Forget coding, the highest paid AI jobs do not require it. This isn't about chasing trends, it is about a strategic path of least resistance. Each of these three lanes is a proven gateway, offering a clear trajectory from learner to practitioner. Your job is to select one now, not dabble, and commit to building specific expertise that a hiring manager can immediately recognize and value. This is your biggest strategic advantage. Stop trying to become a generic AI person. Your existing experience is a superpower. A developer's path is different from a data analyst's, which is different from a domain expert's. We will leverage your unique foundation to create an unstoppable, targeted trajectory straight to the job you want. Look at the job boards right now. They are not posting for vague AI engineers. They need a machine learning engineer with MLOps skills, or a data scientist who can build predictive models. Your mission is to match your current skills to one of these concrete, in-demand roles. This precise focus cuts through the noise and tells hiring managers exactly how you fit. Forget coding. AI's real money is in this skill no one's hiring for. Look at the job description. See that wall of required skills? It is a trap. You do not need it all. I want you to target the core tools in active use, Python for automation, SQL for data. Drill only into the fundamentals that appear in every single task. Depth on utility, not breadth on theory. That's your leverage. Now, your goal isn't to become a perfect coder. It's to become a perfect orchestrator. Use AI as your relentless partner. Command it to write the script, then demand it explain every line. You are not just getting code, you are building a deep, working intuition for how systems solve real problems. This is how you accelerate from theory to execution. Your core skills will be pandas for data and scikit-learn for modeling. Master these only. Do not chase the latest, shiny framework. This stack is the workhorse of the industry. Drill down on cleaning data, running a few key algorithms, and interpreting the results. This specific, practical foundation is your non-negotiable power base. Stop clicking AI tutorials, that's exactly why you are not getting hired. These generic projects scream tutorial. Hiring managers ignore them. Your portfolio must solve a specific business problem. Did your project actually save money or boost revenue? That's the proof they need. Build something like an inventory anomaly detector that slashes waste. Show the real-world impact. That's what gets you the interview. Don't just show your code. A manager isn't reading it. They need the story. Frame every project as a case study, a concrete problem you discovered, the precise AI technique you applied as the solution, and the undeniable business outcome you delivered. That narrative transforms a technical exercise into proof of your value. That's what gets you hired. Your readme is your first interview. A wall of code is a failure to communicate. That manager has 60 seconds. Grab them. Use visuals, GIFs, and bold metrics at the very top. Show me the before and the after. If they cannot instantly grasp the problem you solved and the impact you created, you've already lost. Forget AI courses, real roles demand this one counterintuitive project. When you apply, your resume faces software first. 76% of qualified candidates are filtered out here. You will use job descriptions as a blueprint, mirroring exact AI terminologies like TensorFlow pipelines or LLM fine-tuning to pass the algorithm. This isn't about padding, it is strategic signaling to both the bot and the human reviewer, proving you speak their specific language. But this is where it gets human. Now, they are testing your thinking, not just your keywords. The new interview is a live workshop. You will be given a broken model or a real-world bias scenario and asked to fix it on the spot. They are looking for clear, ethical reasoning and your ability to craft the precise prompt that gets the result. Your logic is now the product. So you have solved the technical test. But can you explain why? How does your unique background, your previous career, your personal challenges actually give you a superior lens on AI's ethical dilemmas? Your story isn't just a bridge, it is your secret weapon. Make them see the thinker behind the code. That's what lands the offer. They lied, you do not need a PhD. Here's the real path to an AI job. Let's be honest, the pressure to prove yourself is immense. You will feel it. So shift your focus from showcasing raw intelligence to demonstrating relentless execution. Solve real problems with the tools you have. Be the person the team can count on every single time. That's how you build trust and a formidable reputation. Your first instinct will be to chase visibility. Resist it. True impact is found not in high-profile projects, but in the invisible, essential work others neglect. Master the boring but critical task no one wants. Automate that manual report. Clean that messy dataset. You become indispensable not by seeking a spotlight, but by becoming the foundation everything else runs on. And now the real work begins. I once saw a brilliant engineer fail. They could solve impossible problems, but couldn't explain the simple ones to leadership. So, after every project, I wrote a one-page summary in plain English, the problem, my solution, and why it mattered. That habit built more trust than any algorithm I ever built. It turned my work into a story everyone could understand and value. Transitioning into AI requires a targeted role strategy, not just generic learning. Your portfolio must tell a story of solving business problems, not just demonstrating technical ability. The job hunt is about framing your new AI skills as a natural extension of your existing value. Review the job descriptions for your chosen lane and list the 3 most common required skills. Start there.